So we've got a 4. And here we go. I saw pink and it glitched out, and here is our... What? 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 Holy, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Holy.
Well, let's get into this case, let's go. Come on.
I love
Yes! Yes! Woo! Yeah! Yes! 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 Woo! Yes, dude, we got the gram and black laminate! Yes! Oh my god, dude! What is it? What, where? It's battle scar, but look how nice that is! Oh my god, dude! Oh my god!
Come on, man. Come on. Got this. Holy! Holy! Oh my! What? No! No! No, this is a joke! Holy crap! No! You're welcome. Tyler, that's like a $400 knife. I honestly don't even know what Yo, hold on, I gotta call Kevin.
Soka.
Oh, nice! Another knife! Another gamma knife! Another gamma knife! Another gamma knife! Oh! Oh, Lord! Oh! What the fuck, man? That's so... Oh! Oh! Star Trek M9 in freehand!
Anda lá, people! Passa ali pro M4! Anda lá, cara no M4! Cara no M4! Cara no M4! Oh my god! 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 Uma Cristina, vai tudo com o caralho! Estás a brincar, Raul! Estás a brincar, Raul! Foda-se, estás a brincar, Raul! Foda-se, mano! Puta que pariu!
Ai, ele rasgou a puta da camisola.
Ai, Jesus, man!
Opa, sacaste a melhor faca que podia chegar aí.
O quê?
Ó pessoal, ele está muito excitado. Eu vou mostrar a faca.
Also das Fade habe ich mir jetzt gegönnt, Full Fade. Wollte ich eigentlich aber auch kein Video zu machen. Ich habe gedacht, ja, ich werde...
Was? Come on! Come on! Komm!
Er hat's in der ersten Folge.
In der ersten Folge direkt Staffel 2 morgen weg.
Also Staffel 2 seht ihr in 2 Monaten.
Heftig, Herz. Geil. Es sieht sogar richtig gut aus.
Eieiei. Bei einer Brightwater.
Alter,
Jordo?
minimale Gebrauchsspuren. Mein Herz.
Heftig, heftig.